Inside the most expensive home in Calabasas. When it comes to Tony neighborhoods in the LA suburbs, Calabasas is among the first that comes to mind. The quiet suburban enclave is close enough to the action of downtown LA and Hollywood, but far enough away to feel suitably private. Hence, so many celebrities have moved in recently. Famous residents include the Kardashians, Drake, Justin Bieber, and many others. In this video, we go inside the most expensive in Calabasas. If you have what it takes to move into the poshest home in the area, then this watch is for you. Sprawling 22,000 square foot of interior space, the home hit the market for $38 million in late 2020. The home was designed by Mike Palumbo and is a homage to Italian design. The furniture includes selects from B&B Italia, Malteni, Minotti, and Fendi Casa. The marble is all imported from Italy, and the kitchens, there are 3, are decked out with cabinetry from Poliform and Antonio Lupe. It's not just for interior design nuts either. The Prado de la Felicidad address has pretty much all the amenities luxury buyers have come to expect from the area as well. There's a 14-seat theater on the lower level, complete with a concession stand area, a massage room with a steam shower and dry sauna, and a fitness studio with top-notch equipment. The place also comes equipped with a Crestron home automation system. Outside, the garage holds 10 cars, and a guest house ups the property's total bedroom count to 8. The putting green has a sand trap area, and a half-court basketball court will get the heart pumping. Oversized windows adorn the walls of the home, as do statement wooden feature walls found throughout. From the bedroom to the billiard room, an elevator connects the mansion's 3 levels, which are home to 8 bedrooms, 14 bathrooms, and staff quarters. The property's amenities are 5-star, according to the listing. There's a wine room, a wellness room with a gym, and a billiards lounge that has a custom-made glass pool table. There's also a slew of bars dotted throughout the home. There's one in the living room, a party bar in the basement, a protein shake bar in the gym, a wine and beverage bar in the kitchen, a coffee bar in the primary bedroom suite, and an outdoor cabana pool bar. The pool bar is joined outside by a fire pit area with a waterproof TV, a yoga area, a putting green, a basketball court, and an infinity edge pool that enjoys mountain views. Plus, there's a standalone 1-bedroom guest house. From Bugatti theater chairs to a half-sized basketball court, the 22,000 square feet of grandeur indulges in an exclusive location, elegant style, and breathtaking picturesque vista backdrops. The property sits on a 1.75-acre piece of land and offers over-the-top stay for anyone with the financial might to access the home. 2-story ceiling majestic chandeliers open up the formal living room and dining room area. The dining room has a table for 10 with an extra 3 chandeliers above them to provide the much-needed light. Right at the center of the room are a beautiful fireplace and additional seating area. On the side is a feature wall with floating shelves and a glass door opening up to the backyard. The bar is created with sparkling marble tops. The kitchen area is well complemented with a visually stunning wine wall, which is temperature controlled. The tri-level dwelling, along with the landscaping, hardscaping, and interiors, was conceived by Palumbo Design, whose impeccable craftsmanship boasts opulent finishes and materials of the highest quality, including a slate roof and lime-based plaster stucco. Michael Palumbo meticulously designed the interior with premium bespoke furnishings imported from Italy, lustrous marble hand-selected from Italy, wood floors by virtue of New York, and top-tier Italian cabinets throughout. Enter through a lofty foyer brightened by skylights and clerestory windows, flanked by 2 distinct wings, each graced with an open floor plan and seamless access to the breathtaking exterior grounds. To your right, a formal dining room, handsome bar, and lounge opens to the formal living room where bold, colorful paintings popped against tasteful minimalist walls, and built-in shelves provide a decorative yet practical design layer. In contrast, a soothing LED bubble wall steals the spotlight. To your left, a sophisticated family room is framed by a sleek, ultra-modern kitchen, wine room, and an adjacent breakfast nook enclosed in walls of glass. A spacious study completes the main floor, a fully equipped catering kitchen carefully tucked away from the living area, an elevator, and 2 staircases. Ascend to the upper level, where you're met by 6 ensuite bedrooms and a lavishly appointed primary suite clad in gorgeous paneling and thoughtful built-in shelving with inlet lighting. The posh suite features a coffee bar with a seating area, dual closets, and dual bathrooms, both of which open to a private terrace overlooking picturesque landscapes. Your recreational paradise awaits on the lower level. The stunning 14-seat luxury theater provides a state-of-the-art sound and visual experience, complemented by the comforts of fully automated Bugatti chairs with cooled cup holders and a popcorn and refreshment bar, highlighted by a marble waterfall countertop, floating shelves, and inlet lighting. The tequila bar sets the stage for elevated celebrations amongst family and friends. Rounding out the impressive entertaining options are a stylish billboard lounge with a custom-made Italian-manufactured Tekel all-glass pool table and 2 high-top table areas. Pampering is a priority in the tranquil spa, boasting a full electric massage table with a wet steam shower and dry Nordic sauna, as well as a calming fireplace. The neighboring gym is outfitted with best-in-class equipment, a protein shake bar, and a wallpaper-thin LG TV mounted on the mirror. Additional home features include fully integrated Crestron automation and Lutron lighting systems. The main level opens to a delightful outdoor seating area with a warming fire pit and a PGA Championship-inspired putting green with sand trap, adjacent to a fully appointed casita. Traverse the verdant courtyard anchored by a slate wall fountain set against the landscaped hill and take a dip in the Affinity Edge Baja Shelf swimming pool. The poolside cabana with an outdoor kitchen, a full separate island bar, fire pit, and full bath promises endless alfresco adventure amid encumbered views of the Santa Monica Mountains. Wind down beneath a canopy of stars in the sunken fire pit lounge with a built-in sound system and an 85-inch outdoor Sierra waterproof TV. A basketball half-court completes the splendid backyard oasis. For most of the last century, Calabasas has been a sleepy suburban outpost in the western San Fernando Valley. But in recent years, the city and the neighboring community of Hidden Hills have become an unexpected haven for movie stars, pop idols, and reality TV personalities. Small, secluded, and far from both downtown LA and West Side celebrity enclaves like Beverly Hills, Calabasas has just 24,000 residents and only officially became a city in 1991. But suburban living may be exactly what's drawing in so many stars. Its distance from the paparazzi-filled neighborhoods of Los Angeles and the Hollywood Hills may also be a factor. The area's celebrity credentials have only been bolstered in the last few years. Justin Bieber bought a house in Calabasas for $6.5 million in 2012, then sold it to longtime West Valley resident Khloe Kardashian 2 years later. Drake recently purchased a third home in Hidden Hills, expanding his property holdings around his extravagant YOLO estate. Kim Kardashian and Kanye West nearly lost their sprawling Hidden Hills estate in the Woolsey fire but came away with only a charred lawn, thanks to a team of private firefighters. But those are just a few of the highlights. Some of the notable names who live in or have recently lived in Calabasas or Hidden Hills include Brandy, Nick Carter, Miley Cyrus, Scott Disick, Selena Gomez, Dwayne Johnson, and rapper French Montana. It seems this is the area to be, and whoever will lay hands on this mega property will surely call the shots in matters of luxurious living. What would you do if you were to spend a weekend in this mega mansion? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Oh, and turn on post notifications.